next process of that absorption of water by the roots from the soil, it is diffusion. Then diffusion means what? The diffusion means simply disperse. ठीक है, हम disperse मतलब diffusion consider करते हैं. तो diffusion की definition अगर हम लोग देखें तो हम बोलते हैं कि diffusion means the process of movement of ions, atoms or molecules of a substance from the region of their higher concentration to the region of their lower concentration. ठीक है, region of higher concentration to region of lower concentration. Supposed to be this is the cell wall, okay, and it is the inside region and it is outside region. ठीक है, फिर movement of particle from either one side. तो जहां कहीं पे मूवमेंट होनी है तो मूवमेंट हमेशा कहां से होनी है? सपोज टू बी दिस इज द साइड ऑफ रीजन ऑफ हायर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन एंड दिस इज द रीजन ऑफ लोअर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर आयन, atom or a molecule of a substance. Then that ion, atom or molecule move across the concentration gradient from higher to lower concentration. ठीक है, कहाँ पे मूव करता है? From the region of their higher concentration to the region of their lower concentration is called diffusion. ठीक है, फिर that process of diffusion it takes place because of the presence of kinetic energy in case of that particular molecule. Okay, molecule बोलो, ion बोलो या atom बोलो, whichever that substance that is diffuses, because of its kinetic energy that process of diffusion takes place. Means that movement of ion, atom or molecule takes place because of their kinetic energy. फिर water right now हम बोलते हैं कि water whenever the diffusion is takes place, the process of diffusion is also takes place or continues till the equilibrium is reached. Understood ना? Likewise same, जैसा मैंने आपको imbibition में बताया, if it is the higher concentrated region and it is a lower one, then movement of molecules takes place from region of higher to lower one. But up to when it move till the equilibrium is reached. ठीक है, once supposed to be both the sides are same, ये भी same और ये भी same, then the movement or the process of diffusion is automatically stopped. Understood ना? It means that there is a presence of concentration gradient in between them and always move from higher to lower region. And once that both the sides are same across the concentration gradient, then the movement of ion, atom or molecule gets stopped. Means diffusion get stopped. Understood? फिर यहाँ पर once that water is moved from the freely permeable cell wall, as I told earlier, that cell wall is made of pectin and the cellulose, and both the molecules are both the compounds are generally hydrophilic. ठीक है, these hydrophilic compound allow to move the water. Because of that, the water from outside the root hair is easily moved inside the root hair across the cell wall. But once they are moving from the cell wall, then where there comes, देखो ये root hair का structure, ये हो गई cell wall. सेल वॉल के बाद सेकेंड मेम्ब्रेन आएगी प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन. ठीक है, अब द वाटर इज कम्स फ्रॉम आउटसाइड, ये आउटसाइड से वाटर मूव कर रहा है, कहाँ पर आ रहा है? तो ये हो गई आपकी सेल वॉल. सेल वॉल से आता है और प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन के बीच में. प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन इज नॉट फ्रीली परमिएबल, इट इज सिलेक्टिवली परमिएबल, मीन्स सेमी परमिएबल. दैट्स व्हाई द वाटर इज नाउ the water is now at the interface of the cell wall and the plasma membrane. ठीक है, फिर वाटर सिलेक्टिवली परमिएबल मेम्ब्रेन से पास होगा. तो ये लिपिड बाइलेयर है, यहाँ पर जो चैनल्स बने हुए हैं, कहाँ पर? प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन में. ये सिलेक्ट कर ही मॉलिक्यूल्स को अंदर की तरफ भेजता है. तो नाउ एट दैट लेवल दैट वाटर is interfaces both the membrane, one is cell wall and another one is cell membrane. ठीक है, that diagram is shown in your book. In that diagram आपको प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन दिखाई देंगी, लिपिड बाइलेयर से बनी हुई, और ऊपर सेल वॉल दिखाई देगी. सेल वॉल फ्रीली परमिएबल है, इसलिए बाहर से अंदर की तरफ पानी ले लेता है. लेकिन सेल मेम्ब्रेन जो है, प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन, ये सिलेक्टिवली परमिएबल है. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज नॉट अलाउड डायरेक्टली द वाटर अगेन इनसाइड द साइटोप्लाज्म ऑफ अ सेल. At that time the water is slowly moved. ठीक है, as per the nature of semi-permeable nature of cell membrane. Then afterward, that result of diffusion, it creating the diffusion pressure. It is also called as dP, and that diffusion pressure because of that interface, ठीक है, diffusion pressure create हो जाता है. That diffusion pressure is always directly proportional to the number of diffusing particle, ठीक है. ये डिपेंड करता है कि number of diffusing particle कितने हैं. तो diffusion pressure is directly proportional to the number of diffusing particles. Understood? फिर on that basis we consider that supposed to be the diffusion pressure of pure solvent. For example, water ले लीजिए, is always more than the diffusion pressure of the solvent in a solution. ठीक है, जितना ज्यादा अमाउंट में सोल्यूट प्रेजेंट है, मीन्स सॉल्यूशन कब बनता है, जब सॉल्वेंट और सोल्यूट एक साथ आते हैं तो इट मेक द सोल्यूशन. ओके, मीन्स सपोज टू बी वी एडेड शुगर टू द वाटर, इट क्रिएट द शुगर सोल्यूशन. एट दैट टाइम दैट शुगर सोल्यूशन में रहने वाला वाटर मतलब सॉल्वेंट, इट हैज लेस डिफ्यूजन pressure. ठीक है, that diffusion pressure of pure solvent is always more than the diffusion pressure of the solvent in case of solution. Then the difference between diffusion pressure of pure solvent and the difference between and the solvent in a solution, it is called as diffusion pressure deficit. क्या बोला जाता है इसको? diffusion pressure deficit means DPD. DPD को ही सक्शन प्रेशर भी बोला जाता है. व्हाट इट कॉल्ड? सक्शन प्रेशर मीन्स SP. ओके, द टर्म nowadays the term water potential is used for the diffusion pressure. Okay, but that term was coined by B.S. Mayer in 1938. But nowadays that water potential is used instead of DP. तो हम यहाँ पर DP की जगह वाटर पोटेंशियल का वो यूज कर सकते हैं. इसके अलावा आप लोगों को ये ध्यान में रखना है कि कोलोक्यूअल लैंग्वेज में जनरली डीपीडी का मतलब होता है, इन colloquial language, that DPD, the term DPD means the thirst of a cell. Understood ना? The thirst of a cell means that because of that thirst of a cell, DPD, ठीक है, वो diffusion pressure deficit, and because of that thirst of a cell, that water get absorbed from outside to inside the cell. Understood? Means the process of diffusion takes place because of presence of thirst inside the cell, and on that basis we can say that the diffusion pressure of the pure solvent means the pure water that is present, the water that is present outside the root hair having the more diffusion pressure as compared to the water present in the cell sap, and that's why the movement of water takes place from the outside of the root hair to the inside of the cell. Understood? Or inside of the root hair, and diffusion takes place. Other than that, diffusion is very important terminology in case of absorption of water, even the many more mechanism in case of plant. Other than that absorption of water, diffusion is also significant in case of one. That is in the absorption of water and the mineral. ठीक है. Other than that absorption of water, it is also responsible for the absorption of mineral. Then second significant ये है कि that diffusion is always used for the conduction of water against the gravity. देखो पानी कहाँ से एब्जॉर्ब हो रहा है? सॉइल से. और कहाँ जाता है? प्लांट के टिप तक. मीन्स कोई भी चीज ऊपर से गिरे तो नीचे की तरफ जाती है, ग्रेविटी. लेकिन नीचे से ऊपर की तरफ चीज मूव करने के लिए हमेशा फोर्स की जरूरत पड़ती है या एनर्जी की जरूरत पड़ेगी. लेकिन यहाँ पर विदाउट रिलीजिंग एनी काइंड ऑफ एनर्जी, प्लांट इजीली टेक द वाटर फ्रॉम सॉइल to the tip of a plant, and this is takes place only the diffusion. ठीक है. इसके अलावा exchange of gases takes place because of the diffusion, and that transport and the distribution of food means ट्रांसलोकेशन की प्रोसेस, ठीक है, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ फूड अमंग द प्लांट, इट इज ऑल्सो टेक्स प्लेस because of the process of diffusion. Means other than the absorption of water and mineral, diffusion is also significant in case of exchange of gases, in case of the transport of water against the gravity in all the parts of a plant, and translocation of a food. Understood? तो ये हो गया आपका diffusion, second process. Now we will go for the third process called as osmosis.